Hey y'all, hey Melanin Nation gang, what's pop? It's your girl, I am Nubian, back with another one. Okay, so today is gonna be a health vlog, y'all. By the time you see this, I've probably been uploaded like so many videos because I've been trying to get some content for y'all, and I gotta like do daily vlogs and stuff like that. And I know I'll be doing the tarot and all that type of stuff. If you are new to my channel, hey babes, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am your girl Nubian. Okay, I am Nubian. I do customizations, I do tarot, health, beauty hacks, all the good stuff. Just explore on the page. Okay, I am your favorite homegirl. Okay, you gonna see me did up sometimes, you gonna see me laying a little ratchet sometimes. All right, that's just what it is. That's just how we do over here on the Melanation and Gang. Okay, we are chewing our own skin, baby. We ain't fluffing up nothing for nobody's over here. Period. Okay, so if y'all been following me for a while, y'all know that I did the Yoni pearls way back a couple years ago, back in like 2017. It's 2022 now. And um just go watch the story time. That ended up resulting into me making my own products. Okay, you guys. So, like I said, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I did the wet kind. I kind of just stored it in this parsley container because parsley is good for you too. Do your research on parsley and how it works with the blood, reproductive system, oregano, all that type of stuff. You'll find out some good stuff. So just type in things that clean blood naturally, and they'll give you like a lot of herbs and stuff. Okay, this still smells uber good. These are the Yoni pearls I made myself. I'm just trying to work with the glove because to show y'all, but these are the wet ones. And this is like multiple oils and herbs mixed in there because I feel like the store bought or online bought or however you want to call it, Yoni pearls, they're too dry, and it just causes too much issues for me. Then I also made some dry ones, which look kind of like this, and it's more like just have more of clay. It's different clays in here, all wrapped up into one. So I did one last night because I haven't done these since 2020 is when I made these. So I ran into them last night. You know me, my spiritual self. I'm like, this must be spirit telling me to do this. It's a new year. The New Year's just passed. Valentine's Day just passed. The retrogrades with certain things coming back up and around and making decisions and certain stuff like that. So I just wanted to make sure that internally I was cleansed, And I'm going to end up throwing this away, but so this is what I just took out. I put this in. As you can see, it doesn't look like this anymore. I put this in around 9-10 o'clock last night, so it did look like this. And I was like this because it soaked up everything, okay? And it's about 10:30 going on 11 o'clock now. Today is February 28th, 2022. And this is going to go in the trash. It came out of my body, so I'm not really pressed about it. I had this glove on so I could take it out of me and show y'all the other stuff. And I just want to show y'all the inside. And it's really just nothing but clay. You can see all the moisture and stuff like that. When you wake up or in the middle of the night, you're going to have to go pee like crazy. It's going to be like a lot of pee. It's going to be like that pee that you feel like you're about to pee on yourself when you're drunk. And you're going to go pee about like 5 times in the morning, or you might wake up in the middle of the night, depending on how much toxins are inside of you. And also, like, if you're the type of person who has a hard time, because I know some women, we're more constipated than men. Like, men can go like clockwork every day, all day. Some women, we only go like once a day, or like every other day, or once every 3 days, or something like that. Or we have to like eat something specific to make us go. This is going to help with that. So you can do the same regimen that you would do with the regular Yoni pearls. Let me see. It's just like, and so you will put one in there, leave it in overnight, take it out, let your stuff breathe, and then go back and then can insert 2 and leave that in for a whole 24 to 48 hours, depending on your preference for your body. Okay. Also, like if you just had a baby, or you had like a real heavy period or bad period or something like that, this will be good for you. Okay. So with these, the next time I make them, I'll probably add some herbs to it, and I'll come show y'all. But yes, this is what it should look like. It will go from looking like this to looking like this. This is just busted open. The outside, it really didn't change colors. It's really not no mucus or nothing like that. Like I said, it's gonna dry things out. I would say the best way to insert this is to make sure everything is moist down there, so you can either do something with your partner or toys, hands, whatever. You know, this is 18 plus video, so you already know what I'm trying to say to y'all. So, or if you want to like just dip this in a little bit of coconut oil or grapeseed oil. If you do have like a nut allergy, you can use grapeseed oil or avocado oil, and then it'll be easier if you don't want to, you know, have your natural secretions down there. And you can just flush this down the toilet or wrap it up in some tissue, throw it in the trash. However, it's very disposable. I did make them out of the bandages, and I even tied them with the bandage. I can do a video and show y'all how I do everything. Also, since I'm here, I have been using the Cara White. I got this about a week or two ago, and I've been using this every time I get in the shower. I really don't do my whole body. I just do my underarms and my private area. I don't do directly in between my legs, but I do the bikini line in the top. I do the in between my cheeks in the back, and then I do my underarms, and I do my my own oil that I made. I've done showed it on here a couple times and referenced it a couple times. So if you've been following me for a while, you know what I'm talking about. It's a mixture of different oils and different herbs, and it helps with dark spots and color correction, inflammation, all that type of good stuff. So I'm gonna come do a review on this. Like I said, I only got this like about a week or two ago, so I really don't know. I also got the lotion cream that you're supposed to put on twice a day, and I added some of my own oils and stuff to that as well. But I kind of don't like the way it smells when you start to sweat, so I think that's gonna be a thing that I put on only at nighttime and just use twice as much or something. I don't know, but I'll be doing a review on that. Also, I switched and got a new Dr. Bonner's. I got the baby formula one. It comes in a baby blue seal. Dr. Bonner's brand. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I gotta just read the flavors or scents, whatever you want to call it, with that. And boom. What else do I need to do? Oh, also, I have been using the Morena black soap. You can get this at your local beauty supply store as well. You know what I'm saying? And that will help with color corrections and things of that nature as well. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up. Also, it should not smell like anything. Like for me, I've detoxed so many times that I don't think for me it smells like anything. Also, every now and again, I will still take my Serapeptus, which if it's your first time taking Serapeptus, you might smell a lot of pungent smells coming out of your body, especially if you never detoxed ever before. And then the older that you are, the more toxins you have in your body, especially with diet and everything being, you know, a factor in that. So hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you guys have some questions for me or want more insight, or y'all can give me more insight or things to try. And yeah, I'm about to get to the shower and go get to a bag. It's Melanin Nation, Melanin Gang, Melanin Pack, Melanin taking over, period, on the P. Okay, ciao, my loves.